Well, I guess this is part two. I made it from the red light, half a block, maybe a good block, because it is a street in between, or two streets. I've been trying to be sensitive to know what it takes. This little town called WINNSBORO used to be called Crossroads. There's 12 roads that come to the center of this town in this 5-block distance. Okay, how about I just say that? Came here in 2022, none of this was here. I'm hunting coffee. The street right there is promised land on the corner of that street of 312 and something, which 312 turns into Walnut Street, I believe. There's a bakery called, well, I'll get to it in a minute. I think it's called Promised Land Bakery. I've never been in here. We've got this little thing here, and I think this is another coffee shop. I'm not 100% sure. I see Interstate Batteries, so I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, after COVID, many people went into food trucks. And evidently the city has supported and welcomed, let me use the word welcomed, a food court. Again, this is my first time. I've seen it many times. We have a toilet station, okay? Not as fancy as Sulphur Spring, but hey, it beats the wooden boards on a cold seat. This can happen in under a month with people working together. Look at here. No charge. You mean you're gonna let somebody do something for free? Why would you do that? Interaction. So we have a restaurant here that wasn't there, the bakery, the food court, something there. Man. Now, I'm familiar with this one a little bit. When I was here before I went to my Montana trip, this was just being opened. Well, at least I thought it was. She said she'd been open 3 years. I'd never seen it before. Promised Land Bakery. I took a couple pictures on the side and shared with a guy, or back and forth, because more. Now, I could have just walked from down there to here. Again, 1 block's in between us. Can't hardly see this, what do you call it? Mural? Man, I'm up to 4 minutes almost. Oh man, you wouldn't believe the smell. Can you smell it? It just finally dawned on me. It hit me from the right direction. The care and love that goes into this kind of stuff. I'll have to do a daylight of this one. All right, I'm gonna get the coffee as I try to figure out my plan of action today. Wednesday before Thanksgiving, may have a service tonight somewhere. It's gonna be real cold, but if nothing else, we'll probably try to have one this weekend. I feel led to that. Let me sign off and not scare these people. WINNSBORO, Texas. Thanksgiving Eve, November 2025. God bless you till next time. May Lightning Ministries.